Go, go. Hello, Captain. Look here. Welcome to the newest edition of Professor Andrew Block. In today's episode, we will be talking about the dangers of electronic tape measures. And electronic tape measure is a lot like a laser pointer because it emits a laser. Only this laser can be used to measure distances because it's the electronic readout. They are dangerous because if you point it at an airplane pilot, the airplane pilot will be blinded and he will not be able to function. And then he will crash the plane and he will not fly the plane because he'll be dead. And if you're dead, the plane can't be flown, and then if the plane can't be flown, it'll crash. Unless one of the civilians happens to have flight training, which is highly unlikely, because you need, in order to pass flight training school, you need to have trained 3 bananas to eat 17 monkeys. In order to train 3 bananas to eat 17 monkeys, you need to climb to the top of Mount Dusikidiosi and train with the master backpackio for 17 years, 3 hours, and 47 seconds. So, it's highly unlikely that the passengers will have flight experience. So, when the plane hits the ground, it is likely that it will hit a school of disabled monkeys. And one of the passengers on the plane will live, go home, and beat his wife. That is all.